What's up, everybody? I hope you're all having a great night tonight. I know I am. Welcome back to Gray Wolf's channel. You know what today is. It's another day for us to do this 5-0 strategy or Asian strategy, whatever you want to call it. We're going to see if we can make some money tonight. Pull open my Valmetrica account. This candle is taken off without us already. Hey, Rose, Jose, Marine Time, what is up, everybody? How are y'all? The day was great, Marine Time. So I was in drawdown on 3 of my Top Step accounts, and I managed to bring them all back and make extra money on them. So I ended up the day around $4,000 on between 3 Top Step accounts. So about a little less than 1,300 on each account. How are y'all doing tonight? Yeah, I'm so happy I was able to manage to bring it back. I don't know if y'all saw the 5-0 strat lost once last night, and then you'll never believe it, but come New York time, it hit. It tapped us back in, right? And then let me show y'all how much money it ended up making, okay? So if we go up here, right, this was yesterday's entry. Asia entry right here. Can y'all see that? No, you can't. Let me pull the screen. Asia entry right here, right? And then we go back over here where New York time frame tapped us in right here. And then it just dumped and dumped and dumped. And it came all the way down to TP5, okay? So let me do this for y'all real quick. Entry. Stop it. TP5. 9,000, no, I'm sorry, $10,040 was made. I'm not trading for you. I don't trade for nobody. I also don't offer financial advice, just letting you all know. I just thought that this was very, very crazy. It was a very crazy trade. This is about an $800 candle so far on the 5-minute. We do have, how many more minutes do we have? We have about 1 second. Boom, 5-minute candle closed. All right, limit, stop, buy.
Order filled.
We're in. Get in on this Top Step. on Top Step. Dun, 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 dun. We'll also do it on this one. Stop. I. And then let's get these numbers going. That way we can see everything. Stop loss is 25,088. Boom. And then you know what we're gonna do. Just put our alerts and then let the trade play out. I personally would love to see it come all the way back up here. You know what? Let's go ahead and fix our levels as well. It's all right, man. It's all right. Hey, I don't know if I said hello to everybody that's in here right now. I see 4 people typing. I want to say thank you for all of y'all tuning in to for this stream. I hope y'all find it educational and very enjoyable. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Rocky, what's up, Rocky? All right, let's fix these dailies, okay? This one wasn't tagged. Turn this one pink. We can just move it. Right. We can add 2 more lines. All right. Our lines are marked out. Now let's see if we can go and hit TP10 tonight or by tomorrow. What do y'all think? I got alert on that stop. Yeah. Hey, let's see. Do you have a video on your New York strategy? So I'm actually making episodes about it. So if you go to my YouTube channel, every single day I'm uploading a new episode for it. Rose. Yep, market just doing market things. I'm hoping that it goes back up for us, but this was a big candle, so if it comes down first and then goes back up, hey, you know us, we allow re-entries, right? So, just here trying to learn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know me, just trying to make some money, and I like teaching people. You want to see it right now, Rose? You want me to go over it right now?
Order filled.
Hey, Rocky Mountain, thank you for sharing the stream. All right, so you want to see how New York would open for me, right? So we'll go over to, let's do some replays. We'll go to the beginning of the week. Monday. Right, we'll stop right here at 8:50. All right. So, go to 9:30. Boom, 9:30 happened. So what I'm waiting for, right, is I'm waiting for a sweep of either London or Asia High, right? Once that happens, I'm waiting for an inversion fair value gap to form, because that's going to show me that there is a tendency or a possible chance for it to reverse, the market to reverse, right? So let's just wait and see what happens. Oh, right there. Boom. Hang on, let me go back. First IFVG that you see. No, I actually lost the first time. But, as I was just telling chat, the second time that it came back for us, because we allow re-entries, the second time that it comes back for us, the market absolutely tanked today. And we ended up making $10,000. So we made the $2,000 back that we lost, plus $8,000 more. It looks like we might lose today's as well, and then we'll try for a re-entry. But, as I was saying, for this strategy, you wait for an IFVG to form. Boom, formed. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get into a sell. We're going to put our stop loss at the high. Usually, I'd put it at whatever the daily level is at. However, I don't have the daily levels marked out this far back. Because every single day they change, and I get rid of the ones that have already been tapped. And then we'd aim for a daily level. Let's just say we're going to aim for right here. Okay? I don't know if it's going to hit that. I don't remember what happened on Monday, but we'll play it out. Boom. Made. $3,000 made, just like that. Just like that. There's one example right there. Now let's go to tomorrow, which would be Tuesday. I don't know how to say your name, but give me a minute and I'll show you how it worked out. I said no, we did not win yesterday night. We allow for a re-entry, and it re-entered this morning. Okay, at 8:50. Hey, what's up, Wyatt? Around 8:50, 9 o'clock, it re-entered. And then it just kept tanking today. And went and smashed through all the way to TP5. There's 9:30. All right, 9:30 open. The London low already got swept. It got swept right here as well. Then an IFVG formed. All right. So what we do is we get into a buy. Boom. Put our stop at the low, and we target a daily level. Like I said, I don't have the yeah, I do trade during Asia session, but I put a limit order in for the net for whenever it gets tapped in a second time. I don't have my daily levels marked out, so I don't know where one's at. So I'm just gonna put it, let's say 2,500 this time. Put it up 25, and then we'll see what happens. Boom, lost. Still up for the week. Still up 2K. Go on to Wednesday. Look, tapped this out the first time, and look, now it went all the way up. All right. So as you can see, London High got swept back over here around 5 a.m. A seller's fair value gap formed. I don't enter a trade during New York until about 9:30. So I wait. I wait. I wait. Boom. IFG, 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 IFG. All IFGs. So what I'm going to do is I would enter a sell, and then I would put my stop loss at the high. Put my stop loss down. It'd be at a daily level, which, shoot, we'll just put it for right here. See what happens. Boom, hit. Yeah, so that's what I do is I target for a previous day level. However, you know, previous day levels, they change. So this was back on what? Wednesday. I don't have them marked out right now. Only during New York, I'd take this trade. I always aim for the previous day levels. Now, for our little friend that keeps asking about if I won yesterday or not, if you go back right, go back right here, right? Is that 25, 6, 25, 5, 33? 3, all right. So, for our stop at the high, we lost the first time, right? I'm down for today because, you know, today's a new trading day. 1 second though, Jose. For the guy who has a weird name with all the, I want to say emojis, right? We lost our first time, okay? Then it came back in and it tapped us in right here, okay? As you can see, when it tapped us in, which is right here, it never again tapped us out. Not one time. Came all the way back down, back to entry, and then absolutely tanked. And that's how much you would have been up for today. $10,660 off of this strat. It is a strategy my mentor taught me. It's a strategy I will continue doing until the day I die. Re-enter, you take the same initial trade. Are you talking about for the Asia strategy or are you talking about for New York? Hey, no, you go good, Gage. Right now we are currently down $240, $325. Not bad though. Asia, so we re-enter one extra time. We don't re-enter any more than that. So if it loses both times, we're done. But yes, you do re-enter the same initial trade. So you put the entry at wherever the entry is supposed to be at, and you put the stop loss at the bottom of the candle, because this is a bullish candle. If it was a green candle, you would put it at the top of the candle. Hey, Punisher, how we doing? Hey, we got 10 people in there already. Let's go. Gage, the baby's doing good right now. She's eating her food. Currently, we're down 185 now. Looks like we're pushing back up. Hey, thank you, Punisher. Thank you. If you don't mind, drop a like, share the stream, tell your friends and family to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you, Gage. I don't know, green and red just wasn't my colors. I did not like them. Hey, thank you, Jose. I think it's really good vibes as well. I like this, just the peaceful music. We got 12 people in there watching now. Hey, y'all getting me happy, excited. Let's keep it going. Get more viewers in there. Yes, sir. Let's keep it going. We can get this trade going. Maybe we can hit like TP 7 or 8. Go up 400 points. Be about $7,000 by tomorrow. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, Gage. Yeah, Wyatt. I mean, I'm not a complicated guy. I like strategies that are like very, very simple. And like I said, my mentor taught me one. And it's this right here. Super, super simple. It doesn't take. Hang on. U.S. stock market lost 1 trillion in value today. Good God. I won't be surprised if Trump tells everybody to get into a buy. But yeah, my risk, very simple. I put my stop loss. I don't move it unless it hits TP2, and then I'll move it to break even, and then I trail my TP. And if it hits stop loss, just move on to the next trade. Yeah, Punisher, I will. I stream with them every night. Monday through Thursday. Yeah, Monday through Thursday. That's crazy that the stock market lost that much today. That kind of hurts my feelings a little bit. Like, holy crap. I want Trump to come in and be like, hey, buy. Actually, let's see if he's posting anything on Truth Social. Nope, he hasn't posted anything except for the fact that the government is not shut down anymore. Man, let me make a call to Trump real quick. Hey, that will help the market though. I think that'll help bring the market back up some. Some good jams going on right now. Punisher, I think the reason why he didn't take it is because he already won so many this week. What are you up this week, Rocky? Like 3? I want your luck, by the way. Can you give me some of your luck? Oh, 2. You won 2. Dang, you should have took that 3rd. So I do want to let y'all know, because I know someone asked me recently, are you able to gift or buy someone else's account? You cannot with My Funny Future, sadly. No, Punisher, you over leveraged, or you either that or you tilted. What happened? Oh, I know, Rocky. I told Magnus and Abhishek that you won. They busted out laughing. They were like, this man is just lucky this week. I like how I tell it to give me some instrumental music to play, and instead it does the exact opposite. Sim got you too excited. Yeah, I mean, I've been there before as well. Storm chips. All right, Marine Time. I hope you have a good day. See you at Steven's stream. Look at us take off now. That's what I'm talking about. I have a real mic. It's connected to my headset. No, I'm just kidding. I have a real mic, but I didn't like using it along with my headset, so right now it's upstairs. I don't have a target. This trade is just let it hold all night and see how it goes. But every time we hit another TP, we move it up, our stop loss up. So once we hit TP2, I'll move my stop loss to break even. Once we hit TP3, I'll move it to TP1, TP4, TP2, so on and so forth. Honestly, I would love for us to come all the way up here and take out this target, which is a daily from yesterday, and then also this target right here. Will it do that? I have no idea. But hopefully. No, it's an indicator that well, I guess it's not an indicator. It's a script that my mentor made for us, and unfortunately, it's not able to be published because TradingView said they already have one. So, yeah. And before he gave me this, I would just mark out my TPs by like doing 1 for 1. And then a 1 for 2 would be whatever double the stop loss would be. TP3 would be triple whatever the stop loss would be, so on and so forth. And I usually aim for like TP6, TP7. $257. Let's see what that would be. Said 257? 257 would be about $2K, $2,400. So that'd be nice if it goes all the way up there tonight. If it goes all the way up there, I mean, my stop loss is already going to be moved to break even. So even if it comes back, I won't be losing anything. Hey, Punisher, if I was able to get 50K subscribers by the end of the year, I honestly would probably cry. That'd be hella nice. Yeah, Rocky, I mean, I told y'all yesterday that I wanted the weekly gap. Did I not? And then I said it's gonna hit it sometime between next 24 hours. And then what did it do? It came and hit it today. We'll cry together, Punisher. Rocky Mount, you don't get rid of those gaps once they're fully closed? Because it went all the way through it. Like, it absolutely demolished it. Maybe if I do a giveaway and then publish it and tell everybody they have to subscribe. Haha. All of y'all who's in here, y'all know where that came from. I'm not gonna lie, I honestly thought they were gonna get a lot more subscribers than that, because if you look at the Discord, it says that there's 90,000 people in there. What the heck was that? Yeah, really, Rocky. This is sad. Give me some upbeat lo-fi. Just listen to that one. Here, give me 1 second. I'm gonna grab something to drink. Sorry, didn't realize I was muted. you just that. You talking to me or Rocky? No, you gotta be talking to Rocky. I've never even heard of that. Like I said, I like the simple stuff. What do you trade during Asia, Rocky Mount, and Nicholas? Do you trade in cube, gold, silver, ES, YM? Bro, I understand. Have you ever looked at silver? Like, I know I was killing it on silver, and I still do sometimes, but silver costs so much more than gold, and you get cooked on it quick. I love NQ though. NQ's my baby. That's where I like staying on most of the time. Yeah, but would micro silver be that much of a big difference? Was it like, it'd be like, what, 2 cents? I don't know if it'd be worth it trading at that point. You know what? We can just go see real quick. Good lord, it's dumping now. NQ's dumping, by the way. That's still. No? Am I wrong on that? Where's micro S? What's micro silver? There we go. SIL. See how much it would be if we sold one right now. Micro silver is $15 already, and he only moved 1 cent. I'm sorry, $20. That's crazy. $1 was $20. Or no, I'm sorry. 1 cent was $20. Went from 20 to 30 to 40 to 50. Now I'm down $50. 55. Holy crap. Can you imagine if that was on regular silver? Let's see, let's put it right here. See how much that would be. $225 for that small move. $225. Oh no. I need NQ to stop doing NQ things and start doing my things, like going back up. Snowy. Hush. What's up, Frome? Snowy. She's a Pomeranian, so I call her Snowy. Come here. She's white, yeah. White and a little bit of brown, but when she was a baby, she was just pure white. So that's why we started calling her Snowy. She gets annoying sometimes because she don't know when to stop barking. Where'd she go? Snowy? She's a good dog, though. She'll definitely tell us when someone's near or someone's approaching the house. All right, down, down. Get down. Down. Yeah, she's a guardian, alright. The guardian of biting ankles. All right, chat. I'm about to get ready to call it quits because I'm about to go eat and then get ready for Steven's stream. But hey, you know where we're at. We're going to be back here. Probably not Sunday. Maybe Monday night. Okay. All right. You heard her, chat. The wife told me I have to come eat now. As I was about to get off anyway. But I will talk to y'all on Monday night. Probably Sunday. I'll look into getting into a stream on Sunday. But you already know I'm going to keep posting educational videos for y'all. And whenever this trade either wins or lose, I will post my loss or win. All right. Y'all have a good night.